Good morning students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Today our topic is addition of single digit number. So let's start. The first problem we had 3 plus 2. Now what will we do? We will do by making some lines. Okay, it's 3. Make 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. It's 2, 1, 2. Now count all the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we get the answer, and the answer is 5. It's 5. Make 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 2, 1, 2. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. The last one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. So students, I hope you all have learned it very well, and don't forget to practice at your home. Thank you.